Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete your account on Binance. First of all, you can open the Binance application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can now tap on user ID name. You can now tap on arrow at the top right side of the screen, and here you can just simply tap on security. After tapping on security, you can just simply scroll down. You can now tap on manage account at the very last, and after this you can now see the option disable account or delete account. You can now tap on delete account, and after this you can select reason and now tap on continue at the last, and it is the way you can delete your account on Binance. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.